All right. You're going to get a taste test. It's done on my 6 naked lemons. It's pouring nice. We'll take this outside in the hot sun. Why wouldn't I? Oh, that's a nice looking one. Here we go. Perfectly carbonated. So, this is mainly a wheat beer. I'll see you on the outside for the taste test. 1 fingerhead, 2 fingerhead maybe. Okay. 3 weeks, 4 weeks ago she was brewed. And the head is fading. It's got some decent lacing. This is the 6 naked lemons wheat beer I brewed. I brewed 8 naked lemons last year. This consists of nothing more than 2 pounds of 2-row, 10 pounds, I believe, of wheat, white wheat. We had 1.5 pounds of caramel 40. I think it was 3 ounces of rye malt, and then 1.5 pounds of flaked wheat. And that's what's in here. Mainly brewed with, wow, that is fading quick, smells lemony. Mainly, had about 8 ounces of lemon zest in there, I believe it was. And Willamette hops. It had 2 ounces of homegrown Cascade hops right into the mash. 1 ounce in for 60 minutes in the boil, along with an ounce of Willamette hops. A 45-minute change up there, and then 15-minute with Willamette hops again, and then I think it was Willamette hops again at the end. So it's mainly a Willamette hop beer with the lemon peel there we made. So the head is faded, got some good lacing. Let's get on with the smell here. Oh yeah, my nose can never pick up on good stuff like that, but it does have a lemony smell, lemon clear smell. So on with the taste test. 5.5 ABV. Oh wow. Slight little clovey taste. That's probably from one of the hops. A lemony taste. Very good lemony taste. Wow. So yeah, this the head is faded, but she's going to go down in the book as a real good one. 5.5%. Oh, it's very alive. Ah, it's 88 degrees here today on the outskirts of Buffalo, and this one's going down. It's not a shanty. She's a little higher in alcohol for that, and she's it's a wheat beer, like I said, mainly 10 pounds of white wheat in here. Kind of odd that it's almost not clear, but it's got a golden color. Got a clean glass too for a change. So, see, the wife just got in the pool with a glass of her beer. So what do you think of it? Delicious. Delicious, she's yelling. She had a taste before me. Right out of the tap. Of course, I sacrifice almost a full glass out of the tap. It picks up some of the trub in the bottom of the keg. I take that and I throw that right out. But this is a very good tasting beer, lemony beer. Not really punchy like a lemonade. And the malt comes through. It has a nice mouthfeel. The wheat comes through. Oh yeah. And a nice bready flavor throughout, and it's just rounded off with that lemon peel. I believe it was 8 ounces. I can look and check on my sheet. I know it was 6 lemons that produced about 8 ounces. So I can't say much more about this one. It's a good one. It's going to go on my sheet as a good one, and this will be made again. I'll be making this all the time, and I don't think I'll change anything.
It won't last long.
Yeah, it won't last long. So I guess until next time, I'm just going to say Proust. Enjoy your beer, make good beer, drink good beer, and all that good stuff that goes with it. Why wouldn't you? Why couldn't you? Why shouldn't you? Cheers. did forget to say this was WBO6 yeast. I'm almost sure. You can check the video. I'll put that in the description or something, or up in the corner there or something. And then I have just putting some, I'm not going to get up again, but I put the some corn and some spare ribs on the grill with barbecue sauce. They're going to be cooking up here. We'll be eating those for dinner. They've been on there for 2.5 hours right now, so let's sit back and enjoy some more of these, because these are really, really good. Excuse me, this is my second one. I had to go in and get another one. Oh boy. 5.5. There's a hiccup. You can get in trouble there. But once again, we'll say Proust again. Why wouldn't I? So today we're doing some ribs and corn on the grill here. Well, it's coming out good, that corn. That's almost done, I bet. So we're gonna put some sauce on here. Why wouldn't I?